All right, so you just received your portable chainsaw. And of course, there's no battery in it, so you can't use it. This is the guard on it. This is the top guard. And as you see, nothing's happening. So we've got to charge our battery up. This is the 6-inch one. This is the one I'm going to use today. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you get a battery like this, and there's, as you can see, it slides in this way. There's the contacts there. It's got one of those things. These are just like almost every single battery that you see. Look, watch. See how it comes down? So you push it on, and that slides in, and that locks it in, right? But you don't have a charger for it, right? Well, what they've done is they've given you this charger here. It's all wrapped up. And you just plug this transformer. I think it goes to a 20 volt, right? And it's going to change your 110 to 20 off of whatever circuit that you want to put it in. So this part here is going to plug into the very top of this. So I just smush that in there, and then I plug this into the socket. So that's pretty simple, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so anyway, here's my extension cord. You probably shouldn't use an extension cord, but you know, what am I going to do? I'm just going to plug it in here, and I'm just going to leave that to charge the battery. Here we are, being charged. Here's our battery right here. And it doesn't really show you too many lights or anything on it. Usually you see something on this side here. There it is, look. Press it. And I think it's telling me that we need to charge a little bit more. So let's go ahead and let that charge up. We'll come back, we'll hook it up onto the machine and see how she runs. All right, so here we are to unplug it. You just unhook this. Of course, you unplug that from the whatever socket you had it in. And then to get it on the machine, it's pretty simple. If you look, you can see there's like a little channel here, and then you see your contacts. Same thing here. Here's your contacts, and here's your channel. So to get it on, you got to slide it like this. And watch how this little thing right here snaps in. Now it's in, ready to go. And so we're ready to rock. So let's go ahead and take this off. If I pull the trigger, nothing happens. So what I've got to do is release the safety here. Now we can do it. You see? Safety on, I push on this side. That's the side that has the name on it. And it won't go. Turn it off, ready to go. Woo! All right, let's put our blade back on. Our safety thing. And we're gonna take this outside and we're gonna cut some stuff with it. How's that sound? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use stuff like this. This is dangerous, by the way. Be careful. Know what you're doing before you do it. Peace out.